look of the evening is Miss Karina Suarez of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, sporting the white Worth skinnies and the white Elsa top. Cocktails, anyone?
FaceTiming my daughter so she can look.
Next up, we have Ariane of the Southampton Yacht Club Junior Sailing, sporting the Ritz romper in Two Can Play. Looking great.
Kind of fun. A little fast moving.
Next, we have Sarah of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, rocking the Ellis Sport in Zebron and the Wiley Tube Top. Looking great Saturday night. Oh, there she is, the Vice Commodore of Southampton Yacht Club, Miss Auntie, aka Sandra Griffin. Working that Kathy shift. Looking good, girl. Work it. Woo! Strut your stuff. Oh, there she is, Wyatt of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, sporting the Alexa shift in the Siesta print. There's a date night happen for you. Look at Next up, we have Melanie Schwagel of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, aka Mel's Throw 'em Up girl, looking great in the Bentley shift in navy. Oh, Maddie Bricken of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, wearing the Marco Island tunic, headed to the beach or on the boat, looking good. Now we have Miss Marina of the Southampton Junior Sailing Team, wearing the pink dust top and Siesta Marigold skirt. Looking good, girl. Now we have Miss Daisy Kelly of Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, wearing the Citrus Parrot Pearl shift. Looking great, Daisy. Oh, Miss Jill Wigley of the Georgia Coast Association and Lily Pulitzer, East Hampton, sporting the white window pane lace Delia. Looking quite angelic for you, Chili.
You like that?
Next we have Grace of the Southampton Club Junior Sailing Program 2, sporting a very sea-savvy red right return Daphne shift. Oh, another junior sailor, Miss Skylar Stump, rocking the pink solstice pants and a limoncello dust top. And the Kristen wedges, looking fabulous. Here she is, our own store manager of Lily Pulitzer, Miss Carolyn Stevens, rocking Long Story Colette. Looking great. Give us a twirl. Twirl, girl, twirl. Perfect. Oh, there she is, Miss Marianne of the Southampton Yacht Club, sporting the Perla shift and the Scale It Back. Cocktails later, Marianne. And she is also wearing the McKim wedge. There she is, Miss Karina Suarez, this time pretty in pink in the Astrid shift, and Kristen Wedge. Next we have Ariane again of the Southampton Yacht Club, wearing the Baby Daphne shift, and Keep It Current Riley scarf, and Kristen Wedge. Here's Sarah again, this time sporting the Kathy shift in the palm reader, and Kristen Wedge. Work it. Here comes Miss Stevens again in the ankle pant and Chloe cashmere sweater, looking wonderful. Leisure wear at its finest, ladies. There she is again, Miss Auntie, sporting the Rossmore dress and Keep It Current and the McCain wedge, looking fabulous. Woo! Miss Wyatt again in the mango shift in this poolside blue, and Kristen Wedge. Here's Miss Melzy again in the Colette dress in the Lily Lagoon, and Kristen Wedge. Oh, and here's Miss Madeline Bricken in the Worth Skinny and Millie top, along with the Kristen Wedges, looking fabulous. Give us a twirl. Here's Miss Marianne again, rocking the Largo shift in True Navy and McKim Wedge, looking fabulous. Oh, here is Double Trouble, Miss Skylar Stump and Marina, rocking our newest collection of the Luxletic in the week top and pants and Blake vest and runaround shorts. Looking great, girls. Headed to the gym. Amazing. Here's Miss Daisy rocking the Bay Blue Crochet Alexa. Very sporty. Woo! Angela Boyer rocking the White Worth Skinny McKim Wedge and Lily Lagoon Elsa top, looking excellent. Here comes Grace again wearing the Palmetto t-shirt dress and Kristen Wedge, looking great, girl. Here comes Miss Jill Wigley again wearing the Worth Skinny, Kristen Wedge, and Chloe Cashmere in tropical pink. And here's Miss Denise of the Southampton Yacht Club wearing the Coconut Colette and the McKim Wedge. Perfect. Ready for that all-white party on Saturday. Oh, there she is, Miss Karina Suarez rocking the Blue Crush Dust Tops and Georgia May Palazzo pants in the Bam Boom. Here she is, Miss Ariane, looking fabulous in her pop pink Gabby shift and Kristen Wedges. All right, here she is for her third time, Miss Stevens, rocking the Leighton shift in She Got Soul and Kristen Wedge. Excellent. There she is, Auntie in the right dress and She Got Soul and McKim Wedge. She is definitely ready for a night out dance. You think so, ladies?
Break down.
And here's Miss Wyatt Todd, Nola skirt, or Kristen Wedge, and Anna Maria top in tropical pink. Looking great. And here's Miss Joe Wiley again, and the Worth and tie top in the Bam Boom. Looking. And Miss Marina of the Southampton Yacht sailing wearing the Lila dress and Chris. And here's Miss Skylar once again in the Dixon romper in open water print and Kristen Wedge. And Miss Madeline Bricking rocking an all-white Hamptons ensemble in the Armory sweater and Worth skinnies. And Kristen Wedge. Looking great, nice. And here's Miss Angela once again in the Valentia shift and Kristen Wedge. Looking wonderful as always. And here's Miss Days, aka the Mermaid, in the Lyndon Marie Captain in Scale It Back and Kristen Wedge.
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
There she is, Miss Melzy in the Miraflora maxi dress, looking flowy as ever, and Kristen Wedge. And here's Miss Grace for the third time in the Palmyra t-shirt dress in the bamboo print, and Kristen Wedge.
We have to get Christian Wedges.
For our finale tonight, we have Miss Denise in the Dusk Maxi in She Got Soul, and the gold metallic Murphy wrap, looking exquisite, looking so wonderful. And that wraps it up for tonight. Thank you, ladies, so much for coming out. It's been a really wonderful time.